building like a new house or something, no. What?
And farming, because they could need their help to fix any of the machines.
Absolutely. So if they were working on a farm?
Any of the food to where they need.
Also, if you worked at a grocery store or a gas station or something that was basically important and needed during the time of COVID, then you got some frontline worker pay, which was actually quite a bit for everybody. It was like $600 or something for everybody in the state who fell into that category, which was very nice. Anyway, you do have to record that on your taxes. But as far as we're concerned, this M1M, have I beaten it into your head now, guys, that you realize that anytime you don't know something on taxes, where are the places you should look? Google and the literal instructions that come with it. All right. If you don't know what something is, don't be like, I wonder what Schedule M1M is.
It spells it all out.
Look it up, and then be like, nope, 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 and then you might be like, oh, actually, yes. One thing. No way. I'll file it. Okay. All right. Moving on. So nothing here, nothing there. Itemized deductions, that's if we were choosing to itemize, but instead we're doing the standard deduction, so we're going to see instructions. All right, I'm scrolling down to line, what, 4 in the instructions? Everybody should be in the instructions with me. It says, there's like a table down here that says what your deduction will be. Now notice above this it says you can click number of boxes. Anybody in here 65 or older? No Benjamin Buttons in the room. Do you even know what that joke means? Great news.
Yeah, it's the movie.
That movie, yeah, where they age backwards. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Blind? Anybody blind?
No.
Okay. So we are all then single, and the number of boxes we checked is 0. I am not single, but I'm going to be filing it just like you. So I'm going to write down here 12,900. Does everybody see on the instructions where that number is? Point at it and show your partner where it is on your computer screen. Everybody good? Okay. All right, moving on. Exemptions determined from the instructions. Let's go down here and see how many exemptions we have. All right, it says that's a worksheet for line 4. We're on line 5. Dependent exemptions. Enter the number of dependents you claimed. It looks like, how much are you going to get for every child you have? Taken off your taxes. Look at your computer, guys. You should be on line 5. This is page 13. Page 13 of the instructions. For you and your partner, both take a look. How much, and I'm looking at that kind of blue, it's like a blue box, like this. It says worksheet for line 5. Okay, on that blue box, how much does one child get you taken off your taxes? 4,450, because it says name the number of dependents you have above there, and then you multiply those. Can everybody see that these exemptions are going to be for children that you're taking care of? Or maybe somebody elderly you're taking care of, but right now, not us. So income tax refund from line 1 of Federal Schedule 1. We didn't have a Federal Schedule 1, right? We looked at all the schedules and none of them applied, so we don't need that. Subtractions from line 32 of Schedule M1M. Nope. Total subtractions. We're supposed to add line 4 through 7. You guys can check on your calculator if you want, but I'm pretty sure that 12,900 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is still 12,900. Minnesota taxable income. We're going to subtract line 8 from line 3. This is where you're going to need a calculator if you don't have one. What'd you guys get? Do you understand what we're doing right now? So we're taking, it says right here, subtract line 8 from line 3. So I'm going to take this number and subtract that number. What'd you get, Triton?
$9,387.90.
Now it says we're supposed to get tax from the table. Everybody understand where this number came from? You guys are particularly silent today, but I'm guessing that's just because it's a Monday and nobody wants to be doing their taxes with me on a Monday? Or ever, yeah? Okay. It's a lot. Okay. All right. Everybody close your eyes right now. Hands up if you are completely lost. Okay, put your hands down. So the way we got this was it says we're supposed to subtract line 8 from line 3. So I'm taking this one. Oh, I see, because we don't have a line 3. We never added those together, did we? That's why, sorry. So everybody write that 22,287.26 there as well. Is that why you guys were a little confused? My apologies. Now, do you remember how there were tax tables in the federal one? Minnesota tax is different. So I am scrolling down in the Minnesota tax instructions. I'm looking for tax tables. That's the working family table. All right, it looks like on line 28, it says 2022 tax table. So scroll down to page 28. Okay, so what should we be looking for this time? What number are we looking for right now? The 9,387 is where we're looking. Looks like it goes by hundreds. How much tax do we have to file, guys? $500. We're gonna have to pay $500.
It seems to be 500 across the board.
Yes, when it starts getting lower, as in you're not paying a lot, it tends to be the same, and then when it gets to much higher brackets, then they start changing quite a bit. Okay, so we are not going to finish, although I do want to look at this really quick. Everybody look up. Can you already tell? Look at your W-2 from Rosa. Can you tell? Are we going to get a refund? Or are we going to pay this time? How much did we already pay for state income tax? $472.40. Pretty close to 500. Do we not have enough, or do we have too much?
Too little.
Too little. So we're gonna have to pay like 17 bucks or something. Horrible, horrible state taxes these are. All right, let's call it.